Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Welcome to the year 2023. Can you believe it? Yes, I know today is actually the 11th, but I haven't had time to film this and I had really been wanting to do this, and my kitty is probably going to try to be a part of this video, just to let you know. You want to be a part of the video? But yeah, I just kind of wanted to close out the year 2023. I know my channel is fairly new, and some of y'all may be trying to still get to know me, and or maybe you do know me, and let's move along. But yeah, just to kind of tell you about my year in 2023, I started the Starch solution back in late July, mid to late July, and I'm telling you, it has really changed my life. I don't know what else to say other than the fact that I've been vegan for about 7 going on 8 years, and I'll do another video at another time on, you know, how that came about and how that was kind of life altering then as well. But I wasn't a very healthy vegan. I ate a lot of the processed foods, a lot of fried foods, too much oil, just not eating the right foods that would, you know, benefit me and my body basically. And so in July, I was a little bit miserable and I was like, you know, enough is enough. I came across some videos about the Starch solution. I said, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. Since then, since July of 2022, I have actually lost 52 pounds. That's amazing. I'm probably at my lowest weight now than I have been in probably over 10 years. So it's been just wonderful. It's been a no-brainer of eating, and I've learned to make it even more simple every day. When I first started, I did struggle a little bit trying to figure out what foods were right for me to eat and how much of it. I'm still learning my hunger and, you know, full cues there. I'm still trying to learn how to identify those. And I'm sure over time, I'll get better with that. So yeah, that was kind of my 2023, and I'm still on the Starch solution, and I'm gonna still continue to stay on the Starch solution. Some of my goals this year that I want to achieve or implement, or maybe not even goals, but kind of making good habits, if you will, is I'm walking a lot more. My goal is to walk at least 1 mile a day. And so far, this is day 11, and I have achieved that since the first of the year. I'm not really big on resolutions, but you know, they're fun. And if it's something that's achievable, doable, realistic, you know, I'm gonna challenge myself a little bit. And funny enough, my husband's doing it with me as well. So, but yeah, you know, on those cold days, we're just learning to bundle up, and I love the heat, so I won't have a problem walking during that time of year. And another goal is just to really focus in on getting another 50 pounds off. Yes, I still have about 50 or more to lose. I also want to continue to share some recipes with you, and I don't really call them recipes because I don't have anything written down. I kind of throw things together. However, I do follow some recipes as well. So I want to definitely start sharing more of that and just get the word out that this way of eating is, like I said, I don't know what else to say other than it's been life-changing for me and very satiating compared to some of the other lifestyle changes or diets, if you will, that I have done in the past. This has really been the one that has worked for me, and I feel like the weight's coming off at a rate that, you know, it's achievable to maintain keeping that weight off as well, as long as I continue to still eat the foods that I'm supposed to eat. I would love to hear everyone else's goals as well. Please reply in the comments below, because, you know, while I will enjoy reading them, you don't know who else might read those comments, and your comment might touch somebody else. I think this is such a wonderful community, And it has really helped me in my journey and learning that just going vegan is not really the healthiest. But here's to a successful 2023. I'm glad to have everybody aboard that has joined my channel recently. Thank you so much. Bigger and better things to come for us all. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.